Putting the finishing touches on the Danish rice dessert. Rice pudding dessert. What's it called?
Risalamande.
How do you spell it?
Risalamande.
Oh, okay. Sounds like German rice. Risalamande. Okay.
Like German rice?
I think Almond. Is that English?
What?
Wait. Anyway, sorry. Never mind. So it's made of rice.
Uh-huh.
And
Short grain white rice.
and milk.
Yeah, oat milk, water, pinch of salt, some vanilla, almond. I use slices. I don't know if you're supposed to use like more finely chopped.
Okay.
And one whole almond, which is, I guess, custom on in Christmas time. Because whoever finds the almond gets a little toy, a little gift.
Okay, so just one whole almond, one toy. Oh, I think those little kids going to be very sad if there's more than one kid. Anyway, so, but what needs to happen to this before we can make it dessert?
We need to whip the cream of 2 cans of coconut milk.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know if this is too much liquid in here, too much coconut water. If it is, we'll try a can of coconut cream.
And does that go on top or does it go in?
It goes in.
In. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Whip away.
All right.
We've been doing a lot of preparation and it boiled over and all kinds of things. So our Danish dessert
Yes.
for Christmas, and it's a Christmas dessert.
Yeah.
You're trying to make stiff peaks come.
Yeah, I feel like we're gonna use the cream. I think the water's mixed in. So.
Is that 2 cans right there?
This is only one. I was gonna open up. I'm gonna wait to see if this works to see if I want to open up cream or milk.
I would say 1 and 1 is not a bad idea. 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Indeed it does.
Stiff peaks. Does that look like stiff peaks?
Not at all. Let's get the cream.
Alright, so we'll do the second can as a can of cream. So maybe it should have been 2 cans of coconut cream. Now this has water at the bottom, but you're not going to get the water.
Yeah, you just leave that. Although it does look like it's not just on the bottom. Well, you know, we'll do our best. It won't exactly be stiff peaks, but it'll get some air in it.
That's interesting.
Yeah, this whole thing is mixed together. So, what you could do if you knew ahead of time is leave it in the fridge, and that'll separate it. I feel like I should just pour it in. It's like all...
Well, it's thicker anyway, right?
I'm just gonna pour it in.
It's thicker, right? Than the coconut milk, so... So apparently, when they're eating them, if you find the nut, you win the prize. But if you find the nut, you don't tell anybody. So they keep getting more servings so that they keep trying to win the prize. But you've already won the prize. So you're just getting them to eat more. Or maybe they just get it and then go through it and then like toss it. That would be bad karma. That is a lot of cream.
Well, I did pour in the whole can instead of just the cream of it. Yeah, I don't think we're
But for that much? Should we get a bigger bowl?
I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
See how it goes. I think we should get a bigger bowl.
No.
It's gonna be like over.
Then I won't put it all in.
Okay, and then what are we gonna do with the stuff we don't use?
I don't know. Whatever, alright.
Okay, that's stiff peaks forming.
Not at all. Are you kidding me? Oh, the flop.
You know, it probably should have been refrigerated, because if it was refrigerated,
Then it would have been
for sure it would, yeah.
Or just not a can you get on the same day that's all shaken up from the way back. And the falling.
Oh, yeah, it did fall. Did it?
Maybe, I don't know.
I don't think so. I think...
You wouldn't know.
Oh.
Did you pay attention to which cans fell?
Did a can fall?
Multiple.
Oh.
At least one. Maybe not multiple, but...
It's dented. Not dented.
I don't remember all of them being dented. Well, pretty stiff peaks right there.
Good enough, good enough.
We'll go for another minute.
But we did figure out what the problem with the leek soup was, and we'll have that redo for you another time. We should get some leeks this week. What do you think, Bud?
It's very interesting.
What?
The surface of it.
Yeah. That's a good video right there. Look at that. Beautiful. If you put a little drop of food coloring.
Okay. Call it?
Yes. That is a lot of cream for that amount of rice pudding.
That's pretty good texture to me.
But this much to go into?
Then let's not use it all if it's too much.
Time to taste?
No, we already tasted.
No, just the new taste.
That's called your serving.
Looks good. Yeah, I think one can would have been enough.
No, I think the cream of 2 cans would have been good. I also did add a lot of liquid because it got really solid and I was concerned that it was too solid. And I think that it indeed was. It got way more yellow. Very interesting. All the almonds?
Maybe. Or the oats.
The oats?
Oats. The oats. The oats.
What oats?
Oat milk?
You might call it the oats.
Should we get some bowls?
You can. I'll just use my other one.
Okay, sure. Maybe we should use the smaller bowls.
It's a good strategy. Fill up the smaller bowl more times. When a bowl's fuller, you think it's more. Even if it's smaller. Well, this is definitely the best rice pudding I've ever made.
It's the first rice pudding you've ever made too?
No.
Oh.
I made it before, a couple times. But this time I did it with white rice. I think I usually do brown. I might have done white once before.
It makes sense that white rice would
more
sort of
starch.
melt better. Yeah.
Yeah, you keep evaporating away the water, and then the starch keeps dissolving from the rice into it, and then there's I forget. I watched a video about it. It was very interesting. You gonna do the rest?
What do I have to do?
Just
Oh. Wow.
Perfect.
That's a lot of cooking.
I'll eat out of that one.
Yeah.
Did I?
No, I don't think so. Oh, okay, yes.
It's gonna be very fatty. I'm like, God.
Rich. Very rich.
Yeah. Well, I mean both. It's full of fat.
I saw the almond.
Did you?
I think so.
There's. I mean, you sure it was the almond?
Yes, it looked very much, I think.
Whole.
Yeah. Let's see.
You're gonna rewind it and then figure out where it would go according to my strokes.
the way you're stirring. Yeah.
Oh
The only
boy.
problem is that there's only 3 of us eating this pudding. And what is my gift?
You're gonna have to find it if you win. You'll find out if you win. I mean, you'll find out if you don't win too, but you'll have to find out later. Wow, this is gonna be
Rich.
so rich.
Gonna be.
It is.
Yeah, I mean, you can see. Wow, it's like pure coconut.
It's amazing. This is 1 cup of rice.
Wow,
I know.
it blew up.
There's 100 grams of almonds too. Yeah.
Unknown to anyone, he has started plotting out a new project. His first feature-length film since Ponyo on the Cliff by the Sea, released in 2008.
And then you top it with cherry, by the way.
Oh, that's why we have the cherries.
Right.
Ooh, wow, that is a lot of rich food.
It is a dessert.
True that.
It is Christmas. Alright, well I think we're pretty much there.
Okay, so scoop it out and top it with cherry.